This is a radish gone wild, and these are the radish flowers. And these flowers are as spicy as a radish. And so you can come and just pick a few of these flowers, put them in your salad, put them on your soups, just garnish your food with them. They're very, very spicy. And the radish flowers come in several different colors. They come in dark purple like this, and also sometimes they are a light purple, and then sometimes they're even white. So they go anywhere from white to light purple to medium purple to the dark purple. And yeah, so basically the radish goes to flower, and you can pick all, not only the flower, but you can pick all these little flower buds. And they're spicy. I mean, they are really spicy. It's, you're eating radish flowers. So this is one really amazing, easy to grow edible flower that's carminative, and it really supports digestion, and it's super spicy, and it adds a lot of flavor to your food. So also in this little patch right here, if we just come right over here, so we see this whole patch is, it's just full of wild radish, but we also have this little yellow flower here. Can you guess what that is? Some really popular condiment that we eat that's yellow. It goes to seed. This is mustard flower. This is actually the mustard plant, and it's going to seed, and it's the flower. And again, these flowers, they are super spicy. They're really pretty. You can decorate your food with it, and they add, you can put it on just about any savory dish, and these flowers will add a really good kick to whatever you're eating. They're as spicy as mustard. So yeah, this is a sweet little patch of wild mustard, wild radish, and you can see, and even, oh, here you go. Here's even some wild radish that has a little bit of a yellow flower. So the wild radish comes in a lot of different colors. Now, one of the main things about, again, when you're foraging for wild herbs and plants is you have to have 100% accurate identification, remember? So there we go. There's our wild radish flower.